quelle intro pourrie. Salut YouTube, je disais The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead, bah ouais, The Walking Dead, Telltale Story et tout. On commence et tout, saison 1. Abonnez-vous, likez, partagez, tout ça, nanana. Vous connaissez déjà. Saison 1, avec la Big Valentine. Non, j'ai trop hâte. Là où tout a commencé face à la fin du monde, Lee Everett tente de racheter ses crimes et de protéger la jeune Clémentine. Ah non, c'est Clémentine, pas Valentine, je suis con. Bon allez, saison 1. Here we go. Fermez la fenêtre. Et ne vous en faites pas, je ne ferai mourir personne durant cette aventure. Pourquoi elle tweak plus d'aide de lier et de feedback quand vous faites des choix importants. Vas-y, je vais me mettre en mode standard, hein. Ah là là, Clémentine. Qu'est-ce que j'avais hâte de jouer. Cette série de jeux s'adapte aux choix que vous faites. Pas une mort. C'est bon, retenez bien, pas une mort. The Walking Dead. Oh là là, ça me rappelle tellement de souvenirs quand je regardais des vidéos YouTube à l'époque quand c'est sorti. Ça va, le son il est bien? Pourquoi il nous regarde comme ça? Stylé le style d'animation.
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
Ah ouais, attends. Quand même mettre les sous-titres.
Does it really matter?
Nah, not much. You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
Ah,
None
pas pour
for
moi.
me.
Because guys in your position already said it enough.
Non, on n'est pas comme... Tu mens, c'est à ce point. Ah ouais, mais je peux pas prendre son arme. Sur les rétroviseurs. Ah.
I followed your case a little bit, you being a Macon boy and all.
Un gars de Macon.
You're from Macon, then?
Yep, came up to Atlanta to be a city cop in the 70s. I always wanted to work a murder case. Like that senatorial mess you got yourself mixed up in.
On a tué le
With all due
sénateur.
respect. A real shame, that is.
Merde.
Well, the whole family used to be regulars at your folks' drugstore right in downtown. Still there?
Sure is.
Good.
Be advised, medical personnel en route to Hartsfield, various 10-20 coming in.
Any of that seem important to you?
All of it. But that box never shuts up. Sit in this seat and pay too much attention and you'll drive yourself crazy.
Peut-être qu'il
I
prête
got a
un peu
nephew up at
attention.
UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens?
Il connaît toute notre vie en fait.
You wanna know how I see it?
Ça a commencé en fait là, la merde.
Sure.
Bah alors il veut pas nous dire.
Regardless, could be you just married the wrong
On peut
woman.
pas prendre son pistolet là. Hein? Là, pourquoi il a pas répondu?
All officers are available for incoming 217. Rolling call.
You'll have to learn to stop worrying about things you can't control. I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He
Ça sent
wouldn't
pas
stop
bon, hein.
going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses, and he just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him, crying and snotting all over right where you're
All
sitting.
officers are available for incoming 217.
Chef,
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. And I tell him he's got to stop, that that's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama,
c'est un bâtard de
it's
se
all a
branler
big
sur,
mistake. It
sur un
wasn't
pauvre
me.
gars qui était tout triste.
Man,
Man, not even close. They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him.
Oh
He actually believed
merde!
it himself.
Ah ouais, non,
It
bien
goes
fait
to
pour
show,
lui.
People up and go mad when they
Bien
believe
fait.
their life is over. I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious, if I do say so. This other time...
Merde! Ah ouais, ça commence dans le dur directement. Mais ça veut dire que je peux mourir là déjà. Oh non, quel enfer. Ça va, on a un pistolet. Mais j'ai pas envie de mourir moi déjà. Et tourne les yeux, il est en train de se faire bouffer l'autre.
oh, shit. Thirsty. Ah, fuck, my leg.
En plus, on est blessé. Et il est parti. Oh! Ouais, je l'ai bien vu là.
Hey, hey, officer, are you all right? I'm still cuffed back here.
Il va vraiment pas bien.
Officer? Oh, that doesn't look good. He wasn't ejected from the car.
Et y a pas un truc que je peux sortir?
Why the hell did he have his gun out? He's not moving.
Eh bah. J'ai tout regardé, non? Ah ouais, je pouvais tourner encore. Ah merde.
Damn it. I need to drag myself out that window.
Bah. Putain, on a fait une sacrée chute, hein. Mais commence par prendre son arme déjà, s'il te plaît. Commence par prendre son arme déjà, s'il te plaît.
The officer's shotgun is over there. Why would he have needed that?
Ok, merci.
Looks empty.
Oh. Bon, au moins ça... Garde-la!
It'll be easier to carry with these cuffs off.
Bon, ok, maintenant j'ai une balle. Est-ce que tu peux le ramasser, le garder? S'il te plaît.
Looks empty.
Non, mais j'ai une balle.
It'll be easier to carry with these cuffs off.
Oh. Non, mais tu vas aller le voir là.
Officer?
Eh, tu vas aller le voir, il va se réveiller en zombie, il va t'attaquer, gros. On sait comment ça marche ici.
God damn.
Ouais, prends ça. Ouh.
Shit.
Et voilà, j'en étais sûr. Putain. Trou du cul. Eh, recule, je savais.
Officer?
De pute.
Holy shit! What in the hell?
Eh, frappe-le. Ça compte pas. J'ai juré, ça compte pas, frère. C'est trop de la merde. Mais gros, j'ai appuyé sur sa tête pour lui mettre un coup de pied. Il a regardé. C'est une folie.
Holy shit!
Bah oui, holy shit. Et recule.
Get away from me!
Tu vois, mais... Putain, je suis là, je regarde ce que tu me dis.
Hell are you?
Oh, mes trous du cul.
Don't make me do this!
Eh, gros. Boum. Poulet. Mais non, non, non. Je pensais, je recule. Regarde, hein, je recule, je lui mets un coup de pied pour qu'il j'ai un peu plus de temps. Oh,
Help! Go get someone!
Clémentine.
There's been a shooting!
Oh non. Oh non. Prends le pistolet, je t'en supplie. Trou du cul. On est tellement finis. Oh, mais marche. Eh non, ce jeu il va être trop cardio pour moi. Ce jeu va tellement être cardio pour moi, je vais faire une crise d'angoisse, une crise d'épilepsie, toutes les crises. Je veux, ça va me tuer. Je te jure, heureusement c'est pas World War Z, hein. Mais de toute façon, moi j'ai déjà dit, s'il y a une apocalypse, zombies et tout, et c'est pas les zombies de The Walking Dead, moi je me suicide. Tous les autres, je veux pas. Je suis une légende, impossible. World War Z, impossible. The Last of Us, ah, impossible, hein, parce qu'on a des énormes quand même.
Hello? Anybody?
À part The Walking Dead, moi je veux pas. Gros, juste va dans la maison, hein.
I wonder if anybody's home. No ladder. I'm not getting up there anyway. This leg the way it is. Anybody up there?
Ouais, non, nique sa mère. Hein.
Help!
Arrête de crier. J'ai pas envie de rentrer, je sens il y a des zombies à l'intérieur. Ah, je peux pas les voir dans le petit cabanon.
I wonder if anybody's home.
Et tu peux pas jeter un coup d'œil à l'intérieur.
Hello? Anybody home? I need a little help.
Je dois vraiment rentrer là. Elle est où, Clémentine?
Coming in. Don't shoot, okay?
Dans la cabane. Mais j'ai appelé dans la cabane, y a personne. Bon, ça m'a pas répondu.
Hello? I'm not an intruder. Or one of them.
Je pense qu'il fallait que je continue à l'appeler pour qu'elle me réponde. Bon, déjà, va dans la cuisine, trouve un couteau. Oh. Il est pas possible. Oh, un Toki. Bah. Là, le couteau, là, c'est un couteau à beurre.
This place has been ransacked. Just about anything worthwhile is gone.
Même pas un petit couteau, genre.
What's that beeping?
C'est bon, tu te sens mieux. Ouais, j'arrive de voir, y a quoi là-dessous, là-dedans? Reglisse pas, s'il te plaît.
There are 3 new messages. 3 new messages. Message 1, left at 5:43 p.m.
Hey, Sandra. This is Diana. We're still in Savannah. Ed had a little incident with some crazy guy near the hotel, so we had to get him back to the ER and have it checked out. Anyway, he's not feeling well enough to drive back tonight, so we're staying an extra day. Thanks so much for looking after Clementine, and I promise we'll be back in time before your spring break.
Pourquoi vous voulez pas me répondre?
Message 2, left at 11:19 p.m.
Oh my god, finally. I don't know if you tried to reach us. All the calls are getting dropped. They're not letting us leave and aren't telling us anything about Atlanta. Please, please, just leave the city and take Clementine with you back to Murrieta. I've got to get back to the hospital. Please let me know that you're safe.
À la cabane.
Message 3.
Pourquoi je peux plus sortir?
6:51 a.m.
Clementine, baby. If you can hear this, call the police. That's 911. We love you.
Salut Pierre, c'est The Walking Dead.
We love you.
C'est genre un jeu à choix, The Walking Dead et tout. Et là on joue ce Renoir, mais vas-y, il m'énerve. On est toujours pas mort d'ailleurs.
Huh?
Réponds.
Hello?
You need to be quiet.
Je suis pas un
I'm
monstre.
not a monster.
Good.
C'est vrai. Salut Papy Peyo. Wouh.
What's your name?
I'm
Clementine.
This is my house.
Hi, Clementine. I'm Lee. Where are your parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think. Where the boats are?
Are you safe?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
See?
Clémentine.
Can you see me? I can see you through the window.
Salut. Chef. Oh merde. Comment ça marche? Comment ça marche? Ok. Glisse pas, j'en étais sûr, glisse pas. Trou du cul. Merde.
Man.
Ouh.
Hi there.
Éprouvant. Merci Clémentine.
Did you kill it?
Yes.
It's okay. I think she was a monster.
C'était un monstre.
I think so too.
Eh, t'as vu? Le jeu, c'est pas des LOL. Le jeu, il est trop hardcore.
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
Ah, j'ai une bien triste nouvelle pour toi, hein, Clémentine.
You know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
C'est bien lié.
what should we do now?
We need to find help before it gets dark.
On sort pas la nuit.
Yeah, it's not safe at night.
Oui, on sait.
Let's go. Stay close to me.
D'un coup, comme ça. T'es pas blessé, je comprends pas. Prends un jour de congé. Et... Ouais, frère, tu peux même pas marcher, tu veux aller en expédition, là, c'est pas sérieux. Et t'as même pas pris ton... Tu vois, c'est pour ça, Lee, je te déteste. On avait un fusil, hein, il a pas pris. On avait un marteau, il a pas pris. Eh, vas-y, il sort comme ça, en étant blessé. S'il meurt, ce sera sa faute, ce sera pas ma faute.
Oh, man. I ain't never getting home to Mama at this rate. This sucks.
Des
It's hot
bougs.
this night.
What's the matter?
Should I stay?
What?
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
Ah,
I won't leave you alone.
Let's go somewhere safe that's close, okay?
That's a good idea.
on te laissera pas, Clémentine, t'inquiète jamais.
Hey, man!
Holy shit! Don't eat us!
We're not gonna hurt you.
Yeah. Thought for a second you and the little one were both gonna give us the chomp.
Do you know what the hell this is?
Kidnappeur.
No idea.
Non, t'es un
So you've
malade,
seen it
non. Ah,
You could say
ouais,
that.
voilà, on est le goat.
I'm Sean. Sean Green.
Lee, this is Clementine.
Non, Clémentine, wesh, c'est trop le sang.
I'm Chet.
Ouais.
You
Reste
shouldn't be
loin,
out in the open like
pédophile.
this. How about you help us clear the way, and we'll take you and your daughter out of here and down to my family's farm. It should be safer there.
I'm not her dad. Her babysitter. Her parents are out of town.
Let's get going. Staying put for too long is a mistake.
Franchement, parce que voisin, t'as vu,
What do you
ils
wanna
habitent
do?
ici, ils vont cramer que je suis pas un voisin.
Aïe.
Juste un gars, ça fait bizarre, ça fait pédophile. Babysitter, ça passe bien.
Come out. We gotta go.
Lee, quick, let's go.
Allez, appuie. Encore? Encore? Quand lui va se faire tellement manger. Ah non, c'est bon.
As babysitters go, I'd say her parents owe you a tip.
Merci pour le coup, c'est sympa. Moi j'aimerais juste qu'on soigne cette foutue jambe là et qu'on puisse marcher normalement.
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna run on home. My mama's gonna be in a snit.
No sweat, man. I'll catch you tomorrow night.
Mais
It was nice to meet you both.
il part comme ça tout seul la nuit alors qu'il y a plein de zombies.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I wouldn't have made it back without Chet.
Well, I'm glad you took him with you then. You've brought a couple guests.
Your boy's a lifesaver.
Glad
Oh,
he
oui.
could be a help to somebody.
Comme ça on arrive,
So
on
it's
suce un
just you
peu,
and
histoire
your
de se faire
daughter,
accepter.
Oh, not his daughter. He's the babysitter.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Okay then. Well,
Il nous
looks
prend
like you
pour
hurt
qui
your leg
lui?
pretty bad there.
Yeah, it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Il ne veut pas nous faire. Je suis sûr que c'est un raciste. Il va nous faire d'un truc de ouf lui.
Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
Could be worse.
Pour être
That's
pire.
what
Hein.
it sounds like. Seems like things got awful bad in the cities. What did you say your name was?
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green.
Herschel. Oh, Herschel.
How'd this happen?
C'est un vrai book de la série Herschel.
Jumping a fence,
Running from something?
just like everybody else.
What type of danger has the girl seen?
The kind there's a lot of. She had a few lonely days with nothing but the dead keeping her company.
I still just can't imagine it.
Consider yourself lucky.
House is full up with mine. We got another displaced
Eh
family
Herschel, arrête de
three
douter de nous,
sleeping in the
on est un
barn.
bon, je te
You
jure.
and your daughter are welcome to rest
Tu vas
there.
pas te faire décapiter grâce à nous.
I didn't catch your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
Looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
That doesn't seem necessary.
Ah mon gars.
I don't know what you saw on TV or heard on the radio, but there's some serious shit hitting the fan. I don't think anyone knows how big it is yet.
Your son's right. You're gonna want to fortify this place.
Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious.
Ah là là.
Lee, come on. Tell him what you saw out there, man.
I got chased by a couple of dead people.
J'ai un choix.
Well, do what you think you should.
Mais-
We got...
Là, c'est pas Zerma choix de dispatch et tout. Là, tu fais un mauvais choix, tu meurs. Les gens ils meurent. Genre, là, c'est
plenty of
vraiment
chores as it
hardcore.
is.
Lee and those folks
pour
in the
ça,
barn
là,
can help
je me
out in the morning.
concentre.
We gotta do it. Really.
I already said okay. Well, I'm all done here. It should start to feel better tomorrow.
Merci Herschel.
If your leg gets hot or the swelling doesn't go down, you're probably dealing with an infection.
What do we do then?
We'll probably just have to shoot you.
Oh, Clémentine!
We'll clean it, redress it, and you'll be fine.
Elle a choqué.
Okay, that'd be preferable.
There's blankets and such in the barn.
Eh,
We'll
non,
be seeing
vraiment,
you
franchement,
bright and early.
incroyable. Parce que
Come
j'avais
tomorrow,
jamais joué,
which
mais
way
ça
you think
faisait
you're
depuis partie de mes jeux préférés.
Fort's making, I suppose.
Arrête,
Oh, right
il me
there.
fait trop peur, lui, je le sens trop pas. Ça se voit, il est chelou.
It smells like...
Shit. I'm sorry. I shouldn't talk like that.
That was a swear.
Oh, ça va, Clémentine. Tu peux te lâcher maintenant. C'est la fin du
Miss my
monde.
mom and dad.
I bet, Clem.
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh, okay.
Bonne nuit, Clémentine. Prends des forces, on en aura besoin.
I love you, baby.
Faut pas fumer des clopes, faut du cardio pour esquiver les zombies, hein. Faut avoir des poumons sains. Croque des zombies. Toi, croque des zombies. Croque monsieur de zombie.
Get up.
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm, not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better
bien,
get
wesh.
going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr.
Non, en
We
plus,
call
on a
him
de la
Duck,
chance là.
though.
The Walking Dead, c'est les zombies, les. Attends.
Where do parents name their kids Duck?
We're from Fort Lauderdale. We were on our way back before things up and went bananas.
Genre, non, là, c'est les zombies de The Walking Dead, ils sont grave
Word
lents
is,
et
you
tout, on
were
a
on
de la
your way to
chance.
Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
Maybe. We'll see how things shake out with this Herschel guy.
Dis pas oui, dis pas non.
Good luck with that. He's a hard ass. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Oh, oui.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On the tractor? Cool!
La
Duck and I will
chance.
hop to it.
Mais. J'en parlais tout à l'heure, hein. Mais t'as vu, moi, les zombies, le pire du pire pour moi, c'est Je suis une légende, World War Z et après The Last of Us. Parce que. Ouais, World War Z, t'as vu comment il court? C'est que des Usain Bolt et tout, que des boucles super rapides, frère. Ça y est. Moi, je cours pas vite, hein. Enfin, je cours vite, mais vas-y, flemme. Flemme de ouf. On préfère marcher. Hein. Non, mais le pire, c'est Je suis une légende, frère. Eux, ils ont tout. Ils sont rapides, intelligents. En plus, ils ont des chiens zombies, frère. Pète un plomb. À d'autres. Merde.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Fais attention, Clémentine. Hein. T'as vu? Eh, il court, il se monte dessus. Et vas-y, frère. Non, c'est bon.
Hey there, girls. You two actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
Oh, Will Smith, ça, je te jure. Hein.
How's that?
It's
Le
easy.
pauvre.
Well,
On se bat
yeah.
face à tout ça.
So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days. It's peaceful here, no?
Pour l'instant.
Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Clémentine est en
Hey.
CP.
So, what do you do when corpses aren't walking around?
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale.
Une
Like
veto
Herschel here,
incroyable.
except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
We need to hope that we can go back to our jobs soon, Lee. Back to normal. It can't stay like this.
Pas de retravailler, hein.
No, I used to. I was let go a little while back.
That's too bad. Well, I hear people always clamor back to college after a big disaster. People don't want to die ignorant, I guess.
How did you handle getting through the city?
Kenny just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people over
C'est triste,
some.
hein?
Just...
It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow, but even then I can't take away the things Doc went through.
Pas la
Don't you wanna
ferme.
go back to the
Pourquoi pas
moment
la
before you
ferme?
knew about all of this?
Pourquoi tu me dis des trucs comme ça, gros? Qu'est-ce qui va se passer?
Anybody in their right mind would. Families and barbecues and beers with good friends.
Parce que t'as vu, déjà dans la série et tout, quand ils sont à la ferme, c'est pas, c'est pas cool ce qui se passe. Et là, t'as vu, on arrivé à la ferme et tout, j'ai eu un mauvais pressentiment de ouf, vraiment de ouf.
You having a nice time with Katya Clementine?
Yeah.
Ok, j'ai peur maintenant, même moi, gros. Par contre, ça va, on est plus blessé. Oula, ça c'est cool. Oh. Duck. Salut Duck. Il a l'air trop con, Duck.
Hey, Lee.
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
Allez, on s'y met, t'inquiète.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in
Va le
Atlanta
choquer
kill a
un peu.
kid. A boy.
Moi aussi, Duck,
Just
vas-y.
shot him right in the face.
Ça se voit trop, il a trop une vibe d'harceleur. Hein.
Damn.
Oh shit, damn. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger.
Ah, j'écoutais pas ce
You
qu'il
don't see
racontait.
things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh, I had to shoot one.
I could shoot one, maybe, if it were far away. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there.
En plus, là, les choix.
How about yours?
Ouais,
How's
c'est
your
marrant de
family?
s'appeler Duck, wesh, Dick.
My brother and parents are.
Plus là, les choix comparés à Dispatch, ça va super vite, j'ai l'impression.
Maybe it's not too bad there. That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
Y'a plus la merde sa barrière par contre, hein.
Do you think this thing will keep him out?
Not yet. I'm planning on coming back through on a fortification pass, if you will. We'll lock this place up good.
Bah j'espère gros, là, force à toi, ça part pas très bien. Alors Duck.
How you doing, Doug?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
Ok, nique ta mère, Duck. Y'a pas Herschel, moi je parlais à Herschel là, vu qu'il m'aime pas.
He seems like an alright dude.
It's not the most reliable pickup in the world, but it gets the job done.
Hey there, Kenny. Need any help?
No, I think I
Ouais, j'ai
got
parlé
it.
à Clem. J'ai appris qu'elle était en
You
CP.
need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
I think I've got it handled okay. Long as I keep her safe, I think I'm doing all right.
With those things out there, maybe, sure, that's enough. But you gotta ask yourself if you're the type of guy who can do better than that if her parents don't show up.
Eh,
I'll
commence
keep that
par
in mind.
redescendre Kenny avant qu'on t'en mette une pas deux.
How's your son
T'as appelé
doing?
ton fils Duck et tu vas
Good, I
parler à
think.
moi d'éducation.
Katya's got a
Pète
sister
un
up in
plomb, quoi.
Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. But we're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna faze us.
So what's your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my
Pardon,
boat, I
le
guess.
gouvernement va distribuer des armes.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
See ya.
Le bateau de Kenny. Tiens, tiens, tiens. Intéressant. Oh, mais y a Herschel. C'est qui, lui? Ah ouais, c'est Herschel.
You should know that if you weren't leaving with Kenny today, I wouldn't stand for your lack of honesty last night.
I'm not sure I follow.
C'est quoi son problème?
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Huh. Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
My
Ils sont
parents
à
are
Macon,
Macon.
hein. On le répète à tout le monde, ça j'arrête
Well,
d'écouter.
I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
What are you getting at?
Eh, Herschel, là, je commence à te rendre bizarre un peu.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. Then at
Mais
least
fils
you
de
have the
pute,
common
c'est
sense
toi,
to
t'es
listen to
chelou
a
en même
man giving
temps.
you advice.
Go! I'll get my gun.
Mais forcément, t'as parlé ta de merde. Merde. Nique ta merde, Doc. Merde.
They're coming, man! They're coming!
Eh, Doc, la vie de ma mère, on en a rien à foutre.
I got you. Eddie, help please!
Kenny, fils de pute. Mais comment on fait? Ah, non, lâche. Eh, vas-y. Ciao. Ciao. F dans le chat, au 7. À la Yarmou. On n'oublie pas.
I'm okay, Pop. I'm okay.
I can fix you, don't worry. We'll stitch you up.
It almost got me, man.
Bah, chef,
He tried to save me.
ils l'ont croqué, là.
I know, son.
Il s'est clairement fait bouffer. Eh, Duck, ce fils de pute. Kenny, toi aussi, fils de pute. Eh, Herschel, tire-leur dessus.
Get the fuck out of here!
Il parle à moi?
I'm sorry.
Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry.
Ah.
You tried to help him, but this piece of shit let him die.
Piece of shit. Eh, moi je dis rien.
You don't need to say anything. You tried. Please, just go. Get out and never come back.
Je tue. Mais on n'était pas
Got
censé.
that ride to Macon if you want it.
Ouais, c'est ça, on était censé partir avec eux. Ah ouais, Herschel. Merci d'avoir regardé la vidéo. Abonne-toi, like, partage, tout ça. On se retrouve demain pour la suite. Bye.